Hey, this is Brian Boydston, and in this screencast, I want to show you how to put QR codes and link those with assignments, web pages, links, and that way you can get things in the hands of the students in a much quicker way than them typing in the links or even having to go search for an assignment. They can just use a scan app to scan the QR code, and then they got what you want them to have. And so I've had a lot of questions on how to do this. I'm using a website called qrstuff.com here. There are some paid features to it. I'm going to show you some of the free features. The first thing that you have to do is, and if you look down this side, the first thing here is website. You have a whole list of different things that you can link QR codes to. But what I want to specifically show you, because if it's a website, you would just enter in the link there, come over here to the right and click download QR code, and you're ready to go, whatever that link is. But how do we get a PDF or a document in the hands of our students? Well, I'm going to use Dropbox to do that here with qrstuff.com. And so let me go ahead and click on that and go to my Dropbox. And if we go here, we have a list of things. And so I have a PDF here called Note Anytime, and I want the students to be able to have that PDF. Well, what I need to do is I need to figure out what the link is to that PDF, and that way I can tie that to a QR code. So I'm going to click Share Link, and then I'm going to select Get Link. And you'll notice when I did that, up in the top here, it said the link was copied to my clipboard. So I just copied that link. So let's go back over to QR Code Generator or qrstuff.com. And if we come down here, one of the selections there is Dropbox. I'm going to select Dropbox, and in this little space here, I'm going to paste that link to that PDF file. And so now this is so simple. Now all I have to do is come over to the right and click Download QR Code. And it just downloaded my QR code. And let me go ahead and pull that full screen. There's the QR code I just downloaded. It actually downloaded it as like an image type file. So you can put this image onto other documents you have. You can put it within a PowerPoint or a Keynote, and the students can scan it. So the students would just need, or you can just pull it up like this. But the students would come into class, open up a scan app. Scan's probably one of the better ones. It's called SCAN, just scan. And they would scan that QR code, and that PDF would pop up right on their screen to where now they can go and just share that with something like Note Anytime and now work on that assignment. So it's a real quick way of getting assignments right in the students' hands. And so again, that's just getting QR codes. You can do this with links to websites. If you've watched my other video on how to create an iCalendar, rather than having students copy and paste the link like I showed you in that calendar, you can also, or in that video, you could also just link that link to your iCalendar onto a QR code that the students would scan and then automatically subscribe to your iCalendar there at the first of the school year. So again, I'm Brian Boydston. Hopefully that was helpful for those of you that want to get into creating QR codes and linking assignments and getting it into the hands of the students very quickly. And so hopefully that was helpful. So I hope you guys have a good day.